There's a reason why my big NFT system is sitting idle. That's right, folks, I'm getting kicked out of the grow room, but nonetheless, today is Monday and it's time for a garden update. And if you are wondering, yes, we still got gnats. There's a reason why my big NFT system is sitting idle. It's because we're moving. We're moving back into the garage, folks. That's right. But first, I need to clean it. It's a mess. We're gonna insulate that garage door. This is a 3-car garage that I'm gonna partition off. So basically, I'll have a 10-foot by 20-foot grow room. I'm gonna put an AC in it. We're gonna transfer the NFT system and the lights back into the garage, bringing all of you folks on a journey on how to build a grow room in a garage. Don't forget to catch the weekly updates, and thanks for watching.